What's up, ladies and gentlemen, this is Alvin here again. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create this professional animation only using Filmora. Okay, to create the background, click here and then press rectangle. Now you're going to create the background to match the project size. And let's turn the background into black just to match Instagram interface. Now you just increase the scale, make it longer to match the video on the bottom. And now to make this animation even better, drop the screenshot, make it longer and adjust the scale like this. Drop the video that you want into the timeline and then you're gonna scale it down to match Instagram feed like this. Then you simply drop the mouse icon to the timeline and make it longer. Scale down the mouse and then you just adjust the position just like what I'm doing so we can start creating the first animation. Set the first mouse position and then you're gonna go image, basic, transform and you're gonna mark the first keyframe. You're gonna move now a few seconds forward the red thing. Now you scale it down to fake the click into the video. Just copy the first keyframe and then a few seconds forward after the second keyframe, you're gonna press Ctrl V. All keyframes selected, you're gonna press the right button of the mouse, bezel the curves, you press easy in to make it smoother. Click in the feed video, press Ctrl B to split at the second mouse keyframe. For the comment section, let's create another rectangle and then we're gonna match the same feed video that we just dropped into the timeline. Simply click in the comment sections for and then you click in this eye. Now press the video feed and mark the first keyframe. A few seconds forward, you're gonna move the red thing, then you're gonna scale it up. To create the second animation, any keyframe, select the right button of the mouse, select all keyframes, right button of the mouse, bezel curves, easy in. The animation looks really fast, so let's move the second keyframe a few seconds forward. This way it looks smooth and way better now. Press the icon view again just to see the rectangle that we created. Now we just need to match the same position of the video feed that we just created the second animation. Press this icon here and change the color into gray. Right button of the mouse in the rectangle and then you create a compound clip. After the red thing in the second keyframe of the video, you're gonna press the rectangle compound clip, press transform, mark the first keyframe and at the beginning of the rectangle, you're gonna set another keyframe and scale it down to match the video feed animation. Again, in any keyframe, right button of the mouse, select all keyframes, easy in, easy out. At the first keyframe of the rectangle, you're gonna set the opacity to 0 and then for the second keyframe to 100%. Now the animation is running like this. Drop the profile picture into the timeline and set the opacity to 0 with the one keyframe too. And then a few seconds forward, you're gonna set the opacity to 100%, scale it down and adjust the position to the bottom of the rectangle. So the opacity animation looks like this. Create the first username using titles and drop into the timeline and set the name that you want. You just adjust the position and the scale. Duplicate the username, adjust the position and then you're gonna write the comments that you want. In the text settings, you're gonna press B here just to highlight the username. Select these two text and then create a compound clip on it. Now set one keyframe of opacity with 0 and then the second one with 100%. So the animation is going to look like this. Select this compound clip plus the profile picture and then create a new compound clip on it. When the opacity is in 100%, you gotta set a new keyframe of position and then you're gonna move to the previous part and then you're gonna move the compound clip to the bottom. Then to make the animation smoother, let's apply the bezel curves to easy in and easy out. And the comment animation looks like this. Use the same process for the following comments in the section. You can create as many comments as you want, but I'm just using two to show you this example. To apply a beautiful glow effect, you can create a compound clip in any part that you want. Go to the effects bar and drop 3 times in any part that you want in your video. And here is the final result. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I bet you never thought you could create a professional animation like this only using Filmora. Well, the same process that I used here, you can apply into CapCut because they have the same tools actually. But before I go, what do you want to see next here in my channel? Drop a comment here down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because I want to monetize this channel. So to keep recording videos like this, drop a comment here down below about what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next video.